First one is to change out all of your like products from like high chemicals and a bunch of toxins in them, and to switch to all natural products. This includes cleaning products, this includes your makeup, this includes your face wash, this includes your soap, literally everything touching your skin that could have like what are called endocrine disruptors, which are hormone disruptors. They basically mimic hormones in your body from these chemicals, and your body doesn't recognize them as different, and it's basically screwing up your body and your hormones and going into PMS symptoms, period problems, all of the shit that we deal with on a monthly basis. And changing out your products is huge, huge, huge. I did this slowly in my life. I didn't just all of a sudden one weekend do everything. I focused on like little things at a time. So first I did like my face wash and my soaps, like anything in the shower or anything I was cleansing and washing my body with. Then I did all my cleaning products in my home. And then I switched more to makeup to be able to make sure that I'm having more of a natural approach. And the biggest benefit I noticed on this certainly was like less hormonal problems, because like when you're getting rid of things that have like parabens in it, the platelets, like all these things are like fake hormones in your body. They're used as thickening agents in these like products, and like it's just not great for women. I noticed my skin cleared up like really quickly. It was no longer like, that was like the biggest change I noticed, was my skin clearing up. So if you want clear skin, go to all natural products.